Ineffable.
Allô mes amis, je fais des grands-pères, allons-y. Pensez-vous que ça va ressembler à un grand-père? Smells so good, even though it's just butter, milk, and a little bit of flour.
It's a bit like pie dough, but it has to be more sticky.
Et voilà.
On mange maintenant?
Oui, tu veux goûter la pâte?
Ah, it's perfect. Chewy and a little bit sweet. Instead of baking this one, we're doing something really special. We're boiling it in tree sap. There's some that got away. So good. I bet you it's gonna be even better once it's cooked. What a waste. It's a good day. It's a glorious day. We have the dessert one.
So bring this to a boil.
It's boiling. Time to drop in the Grand-Pères.
I'm excited. Spread the words. Tell your friends.
Celle-ci a plus de sirop pour moi. Smells good. Must be ready now.
No, not yet.
Looks ready.
No. It's slippery.
Don't walk on it. Ooh, look at that. And the balls are perfect. Just like when I was a kid, melts in your mouth. It's ready now.
Not yet. Give it a few more minutes.
We can eat.
Sure. Wait.
First taste. This is the best. Tastes like spring. Sweet enough. Maple syrup is the best.
It's done.
Now it's ready. Look at it. It's not so much the dumpling, it's all that syrup that goes with it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like the best pastry shop in the city.
Is this enough for you or do you need more?
It will do for now. I can always have seconds, eh? And thirds.
Sure. It's all yours.
Thank you. Look at that dough. Boiled in tree sap. The texture, the taste, it is so perfect. Wow. Anybody who tries this is going to want to add it again and again and again. So this is the typical French-Canadian dessert, served in every household in the spring when the maple trees start to flow their sap. Some people have it with a little bit of ice cream or a little bit of whipped cream or au naturel, and it's very good. The best part of the show, Goddess is gonna try it. She doesn't like maple syrup. She didn't grow up with it. I'll just tell her it's our version of that Gulab, whatever it is there. And she might like it. So Goddess calls this the Gulab Jamun of the North. It is worth its weight in gold. I would go far for it. I give this my big thumbs up. I think so should you. But for now, I'd rather just stop filming and just eat this. Can I just eat this? Okay, so there's a lot more, so the evening is young. You guys have seen enough of this. The rest is mine. I can predict what Goddess is going to say about that. So what do you have to say about that?
Yummy in my tummy? Is that what you think I was going to say?
No, I didn't think that. So, surprised?
Yeah, it's actually good. Actually, honestly, it's very, very good.
Go get your tickets and let's get this party started!
It's something that is ineffable, impossible to describe. The flavor, it comes from a tree, so it's nothing you can really buy in a store.